Hello guys, so welcome to our new tutorial on C++ programming. In the last section we discussed some of the concepts of C++ and we discussed a similar program, a program of addition of two numbers and in which a user will give the input and we need to print the output on the screen, and that was the first typical program we just started, in which we are taking the value from the user and we are showing the result to the user. Now, before going into our next program that is based on class, we should learn some of the basic things that we're gonna use in our program. So we should focus on this concepts. So what is that? A class is the blueprint of object. A class is a user-defined data type. That means class doesn't hold any values, but it is a kind of data type. It is a user-defined data type in which there are a collection of objects. So a class is basically the collection of objects of similar type. For example, suppose there are mango, apple, banana, watermelon, and many things. These are the members of the class fruit. So here class is fruit and the members are mango, apple, banana, and etc. So what is the syntax of class? A class should be starting with a keyword that is CLASS, that is class, and after that the name of the class. For example, here you can see class and fruit, class and fruit. Okay, and mango is the function of that class fruit whose keyword is class. Now you will see this thing that is access modifier, and this is one of the most important concept in C++, because during an interviewer asked me this question and it was like, I thought it was a quite easy question, but it was not. So you should know these things because I know what it takes to crack some of the interview questions that interviewer will ask you. So first thing first, what is class access modifier? The access modifier defines how the member of the class can be accessed. It is for basically for security purpose, so that the outside member, the outside function or outside object from this class cannot access the members of the class of other objects. Here there are three types of access modifiers, that is private, public, and protected. What does private mean? Whenever we define any variable or function in private, that means the scope of that variable and the member function will be on that class only. There will be no third-party authentication, like there won't be no outside access from any other object to that class. So that is private. Public means the functions and variables are accessible from outside the class. Third is protected. Protected means whatever we define in the protected access modifier, it will be accessible, but only to that class that is derived from that base class. So these are known as access modifier, and we're going to use in our first program. So let's start our first program on class.